How can SANFORD doctors reduce the occurrence of adverse drug reactions? What can you do to avoid prescribing a medication that conflicts with your patient's unique genetic background? Pharmacogenetic testing is a powerful solution that can prevent these frustrating and sometimes dangerous outcomes in your practice without demanding more of your time. So what is pharmacogenetics? Pharmacogenetics, or PGX, is the study of genes underlying drug metabolism, the result of which can predict and prevent undesirable drug effects and improve medication efficacy. Imagine using the body's genetic profile to help prescribe the right drug at the right dose. SANFORD Imagenetics is at the forefront of this technology, coordinating PGX testing with SANFORD One Chart so that once tested, a patient's potential drug interactions will be automatically updated as medications are prescribed throughout the patient's life. By ordering this single blood test, you can help reduce one of the leading causes of morbidity and mortality in modern healthcare. Let's look in depth at the technology that can help you achieve improved medication efficacy for your patients. Instead of trial and error, take advantage of pharmacogenetics to get your patients the right drug at the right dose sooner. Pharmacogenetics, or PGX testing at SANFORD, examines a subset of genes encoding the liver enzymes that process most drugs. Any and every adult patient is eligible for PGX testing. Using this technology, SANFORD doctors can shorten the time required to find the ideal medication and dose for their patient's condition. At these genes, a person's DNA sequence acts like a traffic signal, influencing whether the production of certain liver enzymes is on or off, and controlling the concentration of each enzyme in the body. This determines the efficacy and potential toxicity of many medications. 4 classes of drug metabolism are dictated by these genes. Ultra-rapid means an overproduction of the encoded enzyme. The medication would be cleared before it could work. Or in the case of prodrugs, enzyme overproduction would cause a dangerous spike in serum levels of the active form. Extensive, sufficient enzyme levels to process and break down medication as expected. Intermediate, reduced efficiency at processing medication. Poor, very little enzyme production in the body. Certain medications build up to higher serum levels than expected, increasing the risk of toxicity. Poor metabolizers of prodrugs like codeine would never reach intended levels of the active form of the drug. Since each gene sequence has an independent chance at falling into one of these categories, individuals often inherit a combination of multiple response classes. PGX testing results are backed by the support of pharmacy and laboratory experts to answer any questions that may arise. For ease of use, results are automatically integrated into the patient's medical record. Pharmacogenetic testing is now available to order in SANFORD One Chart. Seamlessly advance your practice from a reactive model to predictive, preventative medicine.